Good afternoon, this is Chris Brecher with the Simpler Stocks free video for March 23rd, 2017. Close to April, I can't believe it in here. So today was all about the ES is doing nothing. So all we're doing is working off an oversold condition. By the end of the day, ES is up all of 0.50. NASDAQ up 27, trying to work off the more than 80-point sell-off yesterday. Russell down again. Big problematic thing going on in the Russell. Right at the bottom of its range. Bonds up another 25. Starting to get a little overbought in here. Dow Jones Industrial says it all. Down to all of 6 points. You had the transport finally getting back a little bit of their losses, up 56. Led by some of the strength in like United Air today. Even though American Air was downgraded. You have gold up fractionally, up $1.60. You have silver up all of 4 cents, and you have the gold stocks doing much of nothing in here. You had crude oil down fractionally, down all of 10. Now, UVXY, believe it or not, still up today, even with some waffling in the indexes. So still some fear out there. By the end of the day, Nikkei down 60. German DAX down about 0.4%. The DJ China down about 0.4%. So where do we go from here? Well, number one, I want you to see the advanced decline. This was down more than 1,000 earlier and finally came back. So, but the idea is the Russell is still, to me, the leader. And this is how I'm looking at the whole market and why right here it's perplexing. In Simpler Stocks in the chat room, we go over a 6-period chart. We take the daily, then hourly, and the 15-minute. These give us direction. We use a 5, a 2, and a 1 to initiate our ideas. This is the dilemma I have. Every training video I've done talks about the MACD, the ATR trailing stop, and so on. So what are we seeing here? The idea is we're oversold, but we're getting overbought on an hourly. Well, that's a difficult situation. So I'm not sure. Look at an SPX on a 15-minute. Is this just getting a little negative divergence before a rollover? Or is this going to have a little bit of an inverse head and shoulders look that could pop us up another 8 points right to this resistance? From my money, I would love to see a rally right back to the 2360 resistance so I could start shorting everything. As you see in here, little inverse head and shoulders is possible. I just worry about the hourly. So when I'm in this kind of idea, I usually just sit on my hands and do very small trades. And that's all I've done today, and that's all I was telling everybody to do. So to let you know, we still have the $7 30-day trial. Includes me in the morning in the chat room from 9 to 10 in the morning, whether you like it or not. Premium videos, a lot more in depth than this. We also go over unusual option activity if I see it. In the email alerts, I usually put at least 6 stock ideas and 6 index and futures charts. Unusual option activity, like I said, I've been showing on the video. The other really nice thing about this site is our meetup. Every other week, I usually do a 15-minute to hour-long training video, interactive like a chat, and they then go into the on-demand area. All of these free videos. As you see, I've done a lot of them. A lot of other places charge $99 a pop. Those are free with your subscription. So I hope everybody's enjoyed this video. Tomorrow should be really exciting. I'm looking forward to it. So have a great night.